Hi, I'm Ella, and I'm creating and posting raw videos without so much of an edit because I have three goals. Number one, I want to heal my visibility wounds because I know I'm meant to be famous and rich in a good way. Number two, I want to lessen the resistance in uploading videos. And number three, I want to be consistent. And for today's video, do you want to know the secret to happiness? From the longest running human happiness study, who tracked 724 men and later their families for over 85 years? It's this: good relationship keeps us happier and healthier. And I just want to share with you what I have learned from my coach and mentor, Coach Russ Huson. This helped me transform my relationship with my parents from feeling misunderstood into being connected with them to the point that I feel they are one of my best friends. So it starts with acceptance. Accept that our parents are not perfect, but they are the perfect soul. They are the perfect instrument for our mission and purpose here on earth. Number two, compassion. Look at them in the eyes of compassion, knowing that maybe they're also hurt. They're also afraid. They were also lost. They were never for parents. Number three, forgiveness. Give them and yourself the gift of peace, the gift of love, and a gift of light heart. And number four, self-responsibility. I shape myself to be the best parent for my inner child. I sit with even in her worst days. I am with her, knowing that no matter what happened, I will never leave her. I will always love her. I embrace her and continue to discover of how beautiful and amazing of a human being she is. And that is how you start to create beautiful relationship in your family, in your career, in your business, and in every person that you're going to meet. That's the video for today. See you tomorrow. Mwah.